All right, quick solar myth I want to clear up because this one comes up all the time. If you're going solar and we tell you your meter pan needs to be replaced, I want to be very clear about something right off the bat. This is not our rule. This is a Central Hudson utility requirement. We install solar in 6 different utilities, and Central Hudson is the only one that requires this. Maybe that will change, but it hasn't the past 2 years. My name is Anthony Sicaria, owner at New York State Solar Farm, and we have helped thousands of families in the Hudson Valley eliminate or decrease their electric bill with solar and battery storage. A lot of homes have what's called a ring meter pan. That's the style where there's a metal ring that physically locks the electric meter in place. Most utilities today, including Central Hudson, now require a ringless meter pan when solar is installed if it's not already there. And here's the reason why. A ringless meter pan is a newer design. The meter is secured by the cover itself and includes a locking tab. A ringless meter pan allows for a safer final inspection by preventing short circuits and by allowing for an inspection of other defects before inserting the meter. When it comes to meter design, safety is the main reason utilities care so much about this. With older ring-style meters, the idea was that the cover was already on when installing the meter. So if a lineman's hand slipped during the installation, the cover helped act as a barrier between them and any live components. With ringless meter pans, the process is different. The meter pan is installed while the cover is off, and that's actually intentional. This allows the utility to visually inspect everything inside the meter pan first. They can make sure nothing is out of place, no tools were accidentally left inside, and there are no conditions that could cause a short circuit or create a safety hazard. That visibility is a big deal because once the meter pan goes in, everything becomes energized. If something were to go wrong inside, you couldn't see it beforehand. That's when problems happen. So while both designs are meant to do the same job, utilities today, specifically Central Hudson, prefer ringless meter pans because they allow a more controlled installation process. Now let's talk about the part most people don't realize. When you add solar or do any electrical home improvement to your home, the utility requires that the meter pan meet current standards. Once you touch the electrical service on your home, the utility says, we want this brought up to today's safety and inspection requirements. So even if your meter pan has been there for 8 years or 30 years and has never caused a problem once the electrical work is being done, it needs to be changed to a ringless meter pan. So it's important to know this is not just a solar thing. Most likely, this is something that eventually will have to be changed on your home, even if you don't go solar. And this part really matters. This applies no matter who installs your system. It's not a New York State Solar Farm thing. It's not a solar company preference. It's a utility regulation that every installer has to follow. We confirm whether this upgrade is needed during your technical home analysis. So it's identified early and handled the right way, no surprises and no last-minute delays. Another great thing is that if we identify your meter pan needs to be changed to a ringless, our electricians will take care of this work so you don't have to worry about any of it. If your electrical service is overhead when coming to your home, this makes the process a little easier because when we put in the application with the utility, we're certified to disconnect your meter when the service is overhead. If you have an underground service coming into your home, this usually takes a little more coordination with the utility because they need to come out and disconnect the meter so we could upgrade the pan. No matter what service you have, we handle all of this behind the scenes so you don't have to worry about any of this. But it's good to know a little bit about what goes into it. So if you hear ringless meter pan upgrade, just know this is not our requirement. This is about compliance with the utility so your solar system gets approved and turned on without any delays. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments below or visit us at buysolarlocal.com. We'd love to talk to you about your solar project, and if this video was helpful to you, Think about subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. Have a great day.